This conference will now be recorded.
All right, so let's continue with this. Over here, you're going to learn about the G+1 building design using the softwares like Stampro, AutoCAD, MS Excel, and manual design. So here, what you're going to learn is like you can, after learning this, you can even analyze the multi-story buildings. And even on the site, if you are giving the drawing, you will be able to understand what are these drawings given to you for. Yes. So you actually will be able to analyze and design the RC frame structures. That is nothing but your RCC. Okay. Then how you're going to do it? By use of the IS code books. You will have a handful operational knowledge over the computer software. So ETABS or okay, if you learn Stat Pro, you will be able to be very much familiar with the ETABS tools if you're learning with this Stat Pro. Okay. Now, the most important aspect in civil structure and earthquake engineering, you will be able to see here when I will apply the load through some code books in the seismic zone if your building is present. Okay, there are basically 4 zones. I'll teach you there in this. Okay, so this is description of this. So you will be able to understand how to do the manual calculations, and you will be able to understand ETABS or StatPro, then MS Excel. Then you will be able to understand how to design the RCC frame building structures ultimately. Okay, there are some methods that you must follow. Okay, one thing I want to make you clear: if you have taken this course, there are some methods, that proven methods, that you must follow to analyze and design the building completely in the structured format that you want. Okay, so whatever the methods that I'm going to tell you while this going through with this course, you should apply it exactly the same without any deflection or without any deviation by any means. Okay, this is like you should follow the each and every step that I will be telling you one by one without any lateral thinking. Okay, all right. So it is about me. I am myself Aditya Roshan. I'm a structural engineer. Currently, I'm also working, and even I've done my bachelor's of civil engineering, and I have good experience in structure design with RCC structures, definitely with the building design. Okay, using the Indian standard code books. And I like to teach students. That's my passion. And I want you all to have a hands-on experience over the building project. Now, yes, it is a professional structure design course. It is not on ETABS, it is in StatPro. Just take it as StatPro only. Okay. So there are some of the architectural plan that you have to understand before going with the structural drawing. Okay, in the architectural plan, there are 2 things very much important. One is the placement of the columns, as you already know. Before going with the design, we actually have to place the columns. So one placement of the columns is being done by an architect, and one placement of column is being done by a structure engineer. So those two are actually very different. Architectural part deals with a very few logic. They won't apply the logic much. But being an engineer, civil department, so you are or you must be able to apply logic in a heavy amount so that you can overtake the reality. Okay, then you will be leading with the load calculations and some of the more IS code books. So basic is IS 456, but not IS 456. You will be dealing with IS 875 part 1, part 2, part 3, and even you will be dealing with IS 1893 part 1. The current code book is 2016. I will be telling you, if you want, the differences that has been created when it was in 1893, when actually the old code book is there, and the current code book that has been amended right now, that is in 2016. I will be telling you the difference among those two. What are the new things that they have added in this code book? Okay, and if you want in a complete detail part, then I will be telling you in detail also, like each and every topic I will be telling to you. Okay, and then you are going to analyze the RC frame. So analysis means whatever the load is acting on the structure, is that structure is able to bear that load or not. That is the meaning of the analysis of RC frame. Okay, and those people who are not able to hear my voice properly, so you can see this recorded session. It will be given to you soon by Manjeshkar or Janardhan. Okay. Next part of it is like design the structural members. Definitely structural members like beams, columns, slabs, footing, all these structural members you will be able to design. So now there are methods to do it manually and there are methods to do it by software. So whichever method I will be telling you in the same way, you have to follow me for a better understanding. Okay. Now you have to go with the drawing of the design. Acha. Now ultimately you have to produce the detail that will be sent on the site for this to the site engineers for the constructions. So for that you have to how you are going to produce those drawings. You will be learning through that. Okay. Now here, what are the extra part that I have included is like you can do the structural planning of the structure. Okay, according to the code book given to you, you can do your own load calculations. If a new project comes to you, definitely it will be a base for you. Then you can analyze the frame, RC frame structure. If any frame structure you are able to form in StatPro or it in Heatups, it depends. Now you can able to do the manually design. Well, you will be able to do the manual design through following the Excel sheets. So I have one Excel sheet over here. You can see on the screen. If it is not visible, I'll just freeze it. Yeah. Now I hope it is visible. So this thing, design of staircase and calculations is done on MS Excel sheet itself. We don't do it in StatPro. StatPro is basically for beam and column reinforcement. But there also you have to do some alterations. I will be telling to you. Okay. Then you will have the detail of the structures. Everything will be there in it. Then Indian standard. These are code books that I will be following. Then you actually have to do the analysis, the load calculations. Then you have to follow these load combinations in it. You are able to see on the screen. Then you can see, oh, this is the ETAP checklist. You don't have to worry about that. Then these are the structural members that you actually have to design. If you are able to see on the screen, yeah. So these are the structural members that you actually have to design. Footing, column, beam, slab, and staircase. Apart from this, nothing you have to design. If it is a building, okay. Then if it is an isolated footing, this is a complete design procedure. I have kept the Excel sheet itself. If you want, I will give it to you. It is included in this course itself. Then it is the design of columns manually. See over here on the screen if you are able to see the design of the beam. Then again, it is done manually and design of slab. So the need of manual calculation is necessary when software doesn't. Well, we cannot directly depend on the software. So for checking those things, we actually have to deal with the manual calculations and we have to match up with the software. So that part will come once you are very much thorough with the software. Very much. Yes, hello. Okay, I heard some voice. Fine. Okay. So these are the things. So you can will be able to do manually as well as in the following the software. So manually means you have to do it on pen and paper. And I will tell you those design steps. I will show you just now. Wait a minute after this. Okay, so these are the things. So you will get a good knowledge over the subject, over the code books over here. All these code books. Now 13920 is very necessary when it comes to ductile detailing of the concrete structures. So it is very important, especially for the beams and columns. We'll be dealing about that. Okay, important aspects of civil structure and earthquake engineering. Yes, nowadays whatever building we are making, it has to be an earthquake resistant building, and definitely for that we are actually providing some of the good bent up ties. So in that also I will be explaining to you some of the rules, that is most important rules related to bar bending schedule, BBS, call it as. Okay. Now, these are the system requirement you must be having in your, I mean to say, you must be having a laptop for that. And if it is not there also, that's not a big problem. You can go at any institute and practice it. But do practice. Okay. So you should be having installed software of StatPro and Microsoft Excel. So Microsoft Excel comes with default installation. For StatPro, I will be sending you the link. From there only you should download that software. Okay, not from anywhere else. Then basic understanding of the building material and like something basics related to your structure analysis. Okay, that is your axial forces. What are the axial forces? What are the bending moments? What are the shear force? And I will be sending you all the pictures of bending moment diagram of each and every beam or types, like it is a fixed beam or it is a simply supported beam or it is a continuous beam and so and so. So I will be sending you all those diagrams. Just mug up those diagrams at any cost. Okay, it will be really useful when you go for the interviews. And I will be explaining to you basic understanding of the RCC structure elements also. How to design that manually, I will be just showing it to you. Fine. So whosoever whosoever has done their graduation in this field of structure or civil, or want to become a structural engineer at a beginner level, definitely this is going to provide you with all those basic and important skill set that you will be using it in your future other careers too. For estimation also, you should know how to read the plan. So how you will know whether that is the wall, and how you have to estimate the bricks in that, so and so. You will be able to understand everything into this. Okay. Now next part I just shown to you. This is the one of the Excel sheet in which I will be doing the calculations. These are the load calculation PDF I have. So I will be sending to you. This is the complete PDF I have in it. So I will be sending to you this complete PDF if you want to join this course. Okay, this course is including this. Now, apart from that, currently I'm working on this project. I'll show to you my project currently. So this is one project I'm working now. So this is also G+1, but it is not a complete residential building. Okay, this is a laboratory. If you are able to see, this is my go down, quality control lab, rocks, and all these things. And here you can see the laboratory. So they need to design this. I'm currently working on this layout plan, and this is how you have to make your layout plan. Just now I've shown to you how you have to use this layer properties and everything through it. I will be explaining to you. Okay. And I will show you the projects that I have currently, I'm currently working on. So just give me a minute. One scan through projects. Yes. Okay. So yesterday I have shown this to Manjeshkar. Yeah, so this is the plan currently I'm working in. This is a G+1 complete building design. And I will tell you how to draft this plan also. What are the logics that you should give the bedroom size this by this, toilet size this by this, everything. Okay, this is the column placement. How I teach you how to do the column placement. What are the rules behind column placements and all. Okay, this is one project that I will be doing with you all together. And yeah, these are the two more projects that is upcoming. So I have to do these two projects also, and it will be an experience for you if you want to do this project with me. So you will have a experience on working on how to design completely building G+1 building. Okay, fine. Yes. So any doubts regarding up to this session, you can ask me now. You are free to ask the doubts. Yes, please go ahead.
Sir, hi, I'm Anusha Srivallikha. Hello.
Yeah. Now, yeah. Please tell me. Okay, Abhishek doesn't have any doubt.
No, sir,
Okay.
no doubts till now. Thank you.
All right. So Anusha Shivalika. Okay. Yeah. Please ask your doubts. Yes.
Yeah, sir, am I audible?
Yeah. You are absolutely audible.
Yeah, hi, sir, I'm Anusha Srivallikha.
Hello.
Uh, I'm doing my master's in structural engineering. I'm
Okay.
in first year now. So I just want to know, is this an online course or do we need to come to an institution and learn these courses?
Okay. It is an absolutely an online course.
Okay, okay. Yeah, sir. Thank you, thank you. That is my doubt. That's it.
That's it.
Yeah,
Okay.
that's it, that's it.
Okay. Okay. Where are you from?
Hyderabad, sir. here LB Nagar, near LB Nagar.
Okay, so you must have done some courses related to this, right? Before.
Yes, I have completed AutoCAD and also ArcGIS, sir. I think you know this. I have
Okay.
been trained for 6 months in ArcGIS, just
Okay.
operations and all. I just know the basics of those things. That's it.
Okay. No, I'm asking about those StatPro and ETAPS.
No, no, sir. I haven't taken any training on them.
Mhm. So, acha, so what made you to do the in MTech structures? Matlab, what uh, passion, matlab, any spark was there that allowed you, matlab, that made you to do and join the MTech structures course?
Actually, I was willing to join in construction management, but the thing
Mhm.
is, uh, you know, right? We don't have any a lot of seats in construction management in India. I mean, in Hyderabad mainly. So that's why I have chosen structural engineering. That's it.
Okay, okay, okay. No, fine. That's all right. Yeah, please
Yeah.
devote yourself into this. Yes, that's a
Yeah.
good thing.
Yes. Thank you. Thank you. Thank you.
So yes, what about Sai Ganesh and Kanoj, Sandy, Manjeshkar and Mahinder? Those two people. Yeah, yeah, Sandy. Tell me.
Hello.
Yes. Hello.
Hi, sir. This is Sandeep.
Okay. What's your name?
My name is Sandeep, sir.
Sandeep.
Sandy.
Okay. Yes. Okay.
Sir, right now I completed my BTech.
Okay.
I'm interested to study the structure part. Already I completed the Stat Pro.
Okay.
Now I'm learning to Heatups. It's not
Acha.
completed.
Okay. Okay. Okay.
Overall, I know about the Stat Pro, sir. That's it.
Okay. You know the basic commands of StatPro. I get it.
Yeah. Yeah. Yes, sir. I know the Stat Pro.
Okay. And you have taken this course. Matlab, if you want to join this course, then what is your target regarding this?
Yeah, my target, I want to join next year. I want to join in structure, sir.
Why next year? Why don't you join it now itself?
Yeah, I didn't wrote the any examinations to the for the MTech, sir.
Okay.
Let's
Okay. I
get,
get it.
uh, yes, sir.
Mm-hmm. Okay. Okay. You mean to say you MTech structures, right?
Yeah, yes, sir.
Okay. Okay. Fine. 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 So
Thank
that is the best thing. So that's you start learning now. Experience counts. Definitely, it
Yeah,
will
yes,
add up
sir.
to your CV. Mm-hmm.
Yes, sir. In those months, I want to know what is that.
Mm-hmm.
That's why I'm learning about it.
All right. A good decision. Okay. All right. So thank you.
Oh, thank you, sir.
Yeah. What should I call you, Sandy?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Fine.
My name is
Oh.
Sandeep, sir.
Okay. I'll call you Sandeep.
Yes,
So
sir.
yes. Okay. Thank you.
Mm,
Thank you, Sandeep.
Thank you, sir.
Okay. Now, what about other people? Actually, one guy just left. Okay. Fine. Okay. Fine. So, what about Sai Ganesh and Kanoj? How you have liked it? How much you have liked it?
Hi, sir. Waiting.
Oh, hi. It is echo. Your sound is okay. Fine. Yes. Tell me. Kanoj.
Sir, in this course, there is including of a bar bending schedule.
Yeah, I have included the bar bending schedule also in this course.
Okay,
Yeah, without that, the course will be incomplete and you will not be having the complete essence of the project, how to do it.
okay, sir. That's my
Yeah.
doubt.
All right. So, okay. Thank you. How you pronounce your name?
So, Kanoj,
Kanoj. Okay. All right. Do you know the meaning of your name?
I don't know, but I searched it. There is a king. There was a king, sir, in
Acha.
olden days.
Okay. Okay. Mhm.
Actually, my mom
Uh,
searched it.
oh, well, fine. That's all right.
O-
Thank you, Kanoj.
Okay. Okay, sir. Sir,
Okay. Yeah.
can you tell about the fee structure about it?
Yeah, fee structure, Manjeshkar and Janardhan has to tell you about all these things.
Okay, sir. Okay, I will
And
ask
what
him.
about, sure. What about Sai Ganesh? Okay, Sai Ganesh is audible. Okay, all right. Now it is up to you. What is this 1 plus nod OPN? It's a student, right? 1 plus nod. Okay, so Manjeshkar,
Yeah, sir.
if you are yeah. Okay, fine. So you just talk with everyone. As why Sai Ganesh was not audible and everything. Like if he has any doubt, he can ask me.
Hello.
Yeah, am I audible
Sure.
to you?
Yeah, yes, sir. Yes.
Yeah. So if whosoever is interested, you just make a group and exactly follow the same criteria. And if you have any doubt, you can ask me now.
No, sir. I will make the group who are really interested. I'll make a group and we'll go on.
Okay. Can you just tell me what you are able to see on the screen now?
Nothing, sir. Just
Yes,
blank.
AutoCAD course CAD meeting. It's blank, sir.
Yeah.
Okay, it is showing a blank one. Okay, just allow me like a minute. I will show something to you. You all guys.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Okay. Okay. What you are able to see on the screen now? You are able to see the screen, right?
Yes, sir. It's
Completely white now.
SketchUp. It's SketchUp, right?
Yeah, it's
Yes,
SketchUp. So this is the So this is one model I am currently working on.
Yes, sir.
Okay, so this is G+1 building.
Yes, sir.
Okay, fine. And I will show you 3ds Max file also. Just allow me a minute. It is loading, it seems. It is loading and taking time. Okay, let it be. Well,